Hey friends, so now AI engineering is booming because almost every company wants to build AI into their business to automate work, move faster and reduce costs. And for that, they need AI engineers. That's why a lot of people, maybe like you, start taking courses to become an AI engineer. But after doing a lot of research, I noticed some big problems. Many courses out there are labeled as AI engineering, but mostly they are just teaching machine learning theory or some generic topics about data science. Well, yes, this is of course a useful knowledge, but this is not actually what the companies are expecting from an AI engineer. In real jobs, AI engineers are building systems. They are connecting data to models, working with APIs, deploying services, and they make sure that everything runs together smoothly in a production. So it's all about engineering, building a system, connecting things together, more than like training models from the scratch. Now, another issue, AI engineering is still very new role. Like in companies, we still are discussing, brainstorming about the architecture, the infrastructure, how the data gonna flow, the deployments, which features and platforms we're gonna use. So we are still trying to figure out what is the best setup and platform that we're gonna use. That means there are still no standards yet. And this of course gonna make it really hard.
Wow, that is really hard.
To start making courses about it. And to add all that, everything is changing very fast. The tools, the platforms, the models, every month there is something new. So that means it is a big challenge for the courses to stay up to date for all those changes. And at the end, I will give you a very simple roadmap with all my recommendations on how to combine different courses. Because of course there is not one single course that's gonna teach you everything about AI engineering. So now let's get started.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay, let's start with the Coursera platform, and if you search for AI engineering, you're gonna find two very famous courses from IBM, and they sound very similar. So one called IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate, and the second one almost sounds the same. Both of them are very similar. If you want to pick one, I'm gonna say go with the beginner level. So usually those certificates contains many courses. We have here 16 courses. Let's go and check them. So you have Introduction to AI, 13 hours. You have Python for data science, AI and development, Python for data analysis, machine learning. You have Introduction to deep learning and neural networks. So the start is very heavy about the classical machine learning and data science topics. And now after that starts the core of the AI engineering. So you have the LLMs, you have AI models, transformers, advanced fine-tuning, AI agents, RAG and LangChain. So they as well go deep into the LLM topics, which is the core of the AI engineering. So now by looking to all courses, I'm gonna say that was at the start too much of data science and classical machine learning. Of course, as an AI engineer, we need to learn and to have the fundamentals of those topics, but we don't need to be a data scientist. And now about the main part of AI engineering, I would say they have a good coverage of all those topics, but what is really missing is the LLM ops and deployment. This is as well one of the main skills that we do as an AI engineer, how to bring the model into production. Now we come to the DataCamp, and I have been recommending it for a while because it gives you really structured hands-on tracks that actually build job-ready skills. So if you search for AI engineer, you're gonna get those two tracks, and I really love this split. So one AI engineer for data scientist and another one as a developer. My favorite is the AI engineer for developers because this is gold. Now let's go inside it. It focuses on the core skills of AI engineering, and the structure really makes sense. It starts with the OpenAI API, prompt engineering, and immediately you're gonna practice using a project. And then of course, after learning those closed models, you're gonna work with the open models with the Hugging Face. And of course, after that, it's gonna teach you about the LLM ops, how to integrate the AI into real applications, how to do the deployment. This is very important one. After that, it goes to more advanced topics about the RAG. So you have the embeddings, then another project, the vector databases, software engineering, which is again something really relevant for you as an engineer, and as well how to build applications using the LangChain. So I'm gonna say it is covering really end-to-end everything that you need as a data engineer, not only how to build, but as well how to deploy. So this is my favorite one. Let's go back to the data scientist track. Now this track is gonna focus more on data science topics, the classical machine learning mixed with AI topics. So you have the classical basics, the supervised learning, unsupervised, the Hugging Face, which is AI engineering. Then it's gonna take you step by step into deep learning with PyTorch. So you have here an introduction and then an intermediate level. And of course, in between, you're gonna find a lot of projects. And here you have an introduction to LLMs and again, deployment concepts. So as you can see, this one gonna gives you a full big picture about data science, machine learning from the perspective of AI engineering. If I have to pick now between those two tracks, I'm gonna go and pick again the AI engineering for developers. Now there is a third track which is really nice for completely beginners. So this one I'm gonna explain for you the core concepts of the AI, the terminology that we have, like understand the ChatGPT, how modern AI tools actually work. So after you go this, you will not get any more overwhelmed with all AI buzzwords. So I'm gonna say those three really gives you solid foundations. Start with the AI fundamentals if you are a total beginner, and then go and learn some basics about the data science and go deep dive into the developer section. Okay, now moving on to the next one, we have the Hugging Face, which is a bit different from the other platforms. This is not traditional step-by-step course platform. It is more like learning hub, and it's actually free. Now, if it's your first time, you might think, okay, so this is another documentations like the Microsoft one, but actually this is like a mix between a course and documentation. So everything here is structured to take you step by step into the topics, and they always have like a cool YouTube video that explains for you. There are a lot of important things like the transformers, the tokenizers, embedding, and many advanced topics like agents and model pipelines. I can tell you many experts and senior developers actually check those documentations in order to do real projects at companies. So you are already learning as a professional one, and as well everything here is kept up to date. But of course this is not like the other platforms. It is not designed to take you step by step into all the phases of the AI engineering. This focuses only on core topics and nothing else. So my friends, those are the top AI engineering courses. And of course, as you can see, there is not one course that's gonna cover everything. You have to go and combine them. And I'm not asking you to go randomly learning all those courses. So now what we're gonna do, I will just move the cafe away. It's time to sketch. So I'm gonna show you now quickly a roadmap on how to combine those courses in order to become an AI engineer. So it's time for recommendation. Let's go.
Fine, let's go.
So we start with the foundations, programming and data, and here you have to learn Python and SQL. As an AI engineer, your daily work gonna be writing code, handling data, building pipelines, connecting systems, and you're gonna do the whole thing using Python. This is essential, and you have really to go deep and build your foundation. And as we saw, most of the AI courses, they assume that you have already the foundation, you have already Python skills. So you have first to build it on your own before you join any AI engineering course. And I'm gonna be biased a little bit. If you want to build those foundations with me, I have full SQL and Python courses at the Data Academy or at my YouTube channel. So this is the foundations, and now we come to the topic that actually confuses everyone. You have to have some light understanding about the classical machine learning. So I'm saying here light. You are not trying to become a researcher, so don't go deep into ML, don't go deep into heavy math. You just need the basic understanding about the models. So what are the features, what are labels, what training and testing means, and why models sometimes make mistakes. And here my recommendation to take the DataCamp track, AI Engineering for Data Scientists. I'm gonna cover all the basics about the classical ML, but again, don't go deep into those topics. Alright, now next comes the serious part where we're gonna learn about the LLM topics. So things like the embeddings, vector databases, RAG pipelines, AI agents, how to connect external data and tools. So those are the core skills as an AI engineer, and my friends, here you have to go really deep into this knowledge. And here I highly recommend you the DataCamp track, Associate AI Engineer for Developers. I'm gonna say do the whole thing. So do the theory, practice doing the projects, don't skip anything. And now once you are done with the track, I totally recommend you to go one level deeper using the courses from the Hugging Face, especially the one with the LLMs. You're gonna get into really advanced topics, and you're gonna start getting closer on how we use models into the real pipelines, into real projects. Okay, to the last one, we have the LLM ops and deployment. I can tell you, many people ignore this, but my friend, AI engineering is not only about models, it's all about building systems. Of course, I'm not saying here you have to be an expert in DevOps, but you must be comfortable taking your AI system out of your local PC into production. This is usually not that fancy like building systems, but it is your core job to do that. And I recommend you as as well to stick with the DataCamp track, they as well cover the LLM ops and how to deploy your AI system into production. So with this big picture, you have everything. You have the roadmap, you have the courses that I recommend and how to combine them and when to do what. And my friends, of course, if you want the whole roadmap on how to become an AI engineer step by step, I have a full video about it, plus a Notion roadmap that you can follow as a template. You can find all the links in the description. So if you enjoyed this type of videos and you would like to support me, then subscribe, like and comment. This really helps to reach nice people like you. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.